Hi everybody, happy Friday, we made it. Yay, another week done. It's Friday the 13th today, so I'm wearing my Day of the Dead apron. It was better than handmade apron.
Well done. Now you have to
even with my cough. Now I don't have Ben with me today, I've got Barry White, saved my life.
Yes, cameraman has a cold. Man cold.
Cameraman has man cold.
Is the worst, but it makes my voice all deep.
He's all sexy. He's going to pick people up.
Hi, Alana. Hey, how was your birthday?
Yeah, did you have a good birthday? Fun? What did you cook in the end? I know you said lamb, but that was a long.
You didn't have to cook what we suggested.
No, that was a long time ago.
So
let us know. I hope you had a lovely birthday.
Hi, Margaret. Tell the winner, Margaret. Good to
Hi,
see
Margaret.
You.
Okay.
Friday.
Now, I'm not doing a competition today because the competition...
Well, I'm going to log off then.
No, don't. No. Stay there.
Okay.
Because the competition...
Yes, Jimmy, man flu. Yes.
No, it's not even flu, Jimmy.
Flu, it's just sound like...
He just sounds like he's drunk a lot of whiskey, which he probably has anyway. So actually, you probably should. Might kill the bugs. We're not doing a competition today because the one that we've got running at the moment,
so good.
It is hilarious.
Hello, Mel. Good to see you.
Hilarious. So, guys, I'm going to read out
so the premise of this competition is that you have to use a predictive text.
Yeah.
On your phone.
So it's tonight I'm cooking.
Tonight I'm cooking.
And
Which
then,
I was thinking about. Remember that dude? Tonight, Matthew, I'm being whoever.
Oh, that was that. And they stars in their eyes, and then they go, and they turn into the star or something.
Tonight, Matthew.
That's right. They'd open and all the smoke. Yeah. Tonight, Matthew, I'm going to make pork loin.
Yes. Yeah. So read out some.
So let me.
You have to say tonight I'm cooking. Or Alana had lamb chops and roast veggies.
Nice.
Oh, we should get up at 4 a.m. to catch a sunrise. Nice.
Oh, that was
Drinky drink.
Okay, so Tanya says, tonight I'm cooking a little dinner at my 2-day weekend, so I'll let you go for it tomorrow morning, and I can go get over there tomorrow night, and I can do it. It would love to see you tonight.
Oh,
so it's changed from tomorrow morning to tonight, to tomorrow night, to tonight.
It's so much fun. Honestly, just read through them. Again, one more.
Yeah, hang on.
Fly hanging around.
Yes, sorry. So good.
Come on, one more.
Tonight I'm cooking in the crock pot and slow cook for a few days on the way to see you for your kind of dollars. You're thinking of looking at the bottom of South Island.
That sounds like a Jimmy one if he's cooking in the crock pot.
There was
slow cook stuff, mate.
God, there was some funny ones.
I can't reach my computer, so if someone could post it, we've just gone live in the group. And we are doing the announcement of the winner
a little bit later today. We've drawn the person. We've been actually trying to think of some cool way of announcing it.
And Alana had another awesome, but she's had a birthday week.
Nice.
Right, should we get to the recipe?
No, I'm too busy watching this. I was trying to find the one that said, tonight I'm cooking a little boy.
That's right, tonight I'm cooking a little boy.
So anyway, if I haven't answered your comments, it's because I'm reading them all.
And we're
cracking up. But anyway,
this is what we're cooking today.
It's really easy. It's another sort of warm salad concept. I know the weather's not...
a slow cooker.
the weather's not awesome at the moment, but it's okay. It's okay, at least we're not blowing away anymore. So anyway, I've got some pork loin, which I have defrosted because I bought it at the butcher a couple of weeks ago. I thought, I'd do something with that. That looks interesting.
It does.
So now I've got some olive oil, just some, and I've got some...
Yeah, salads are good all year round, they are.
I love hot salad.
Well, everyone's been posting soups, and we did the onion soup.
But
we thought we'd go with
soup is so easy to do, but I want to show you can salad all year round. So, Chinese 5-spice.
Oh, okay. On the Chinese 5-spice, Jimmy, you'll like this one. I did flavoured bacon the other day, and basically just put Chinese 5-spice on bacon and then baked it, and it was so damn nice.
It was really nice. Did you put a little bit of oil, or was it just so you just rubbed it onto the dry bacon?
Not too much, but enough.
Look at you cooking and stuff.
Jeff, 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Where are you, Jeff? It must be in the US somewhere if you're talking Fahrenheit.
I think so. Maybe it's because of your... Maybe it's your Barry White voice. So anyway, that is simply the marinade. I probably got a little bit too much oil there. It depends on how good your pan is. So you want to get a really hot, medium hot pan.
A really hot, medium hot pan.
Yeah, really hot, medium hot pan. A well on. Right. So it's been on, my fry pan's actually been on for a while, but a good 20 minutes.
Yeah, the five spice is really nice. It's one of those flavours where, I mean, it's so unique. And you don't have to work for it. It just has it on. I mean,
yeah, well, that's what I'm showing people.
Really nice.
So we just want to sear that on each side.
That's the five spice there.
Chinese five spice.
And there's a real history to the five spice.
There is. Because it actually is only one spice.
No, it's not. It's a whole ton of spices.
I reckon it's only one spice, and they called it five spice because...
No, it's heaps.
Oh, it's heaps of spices. What is it then? It's all spice.
All spice is one spice.
Oh, duh. They called it all spice because it tastes like all spices, but that's not what we're using. You can tell I've had very little sleep because of the snorer next to me.
What is she cooking?
What am I cooking? I am cooking
Jason, we're going to tell you.
a spiced pork and apple salad.
Exactly right.
So,
Margaret, I will feel better soon, hopefully. I'm going to make myself feel better with a couple of drinks.
yes, so anyway, I want to show you how to make your apples pretty, although these apples aren't really being very pretty to me. But if you cut it and then you've got the little star in the centre, it makes your salad look pretty.
Alana, you can absolutely come around for this.
I'm just
are you taking out the pips?
banging out my seeds there.
Seeds? Pips or seeds?
Seeds.
Yeah. Chef Jason, it is indeed yummy.
Yeah, so I just wanted to show you how easy it is and that you don't have to have 57 million spices and herbs, etc. And
a little bit of Chinese fire spice.
a little bit of Chinese fire spice. Get some pork on your fork. Now you don't have to cut your apples like this. I just thought it looked pretty. But how I'm cooking my apples, and I'm using butter. Butter. I like butter.
Jimmy, I'm going to ask your opinion. How much butter do you cook with, mate? Is it something that you sort of staple with how you cook,
Or are you more oil man?
Oil person? Or
Anybody? Do you like oil?
There you go. Thank you. 5 slows. Cinnamon, cloves, fennel, sour anise, and Szechuan peppercorn.
Szechuan.
Thank you. Yeah, it was on for you that 5 slows a couple of months ago. It was very, very interesting.
Interesting.
It's got such a unique flavour, and like I said, it's lovely stuff. We are going to have to do a Dutch recipe at some point. I know you're not a big fan of Dutch, but
I'm so funny. So anyway,
so the apple's gone under the butter.
Apple's gone into the butter. Now I've just got a little bit of balsamic vinegar here.
Yes, but you're going to use this butter with olive oil a lot.
Ah, yes, to stop the butter from burning. I'm guessing. So a little bit of onions in my balsamic and a little bit of salad. Now you can use any leafy. No, actually, this is baby kale.
Baby kale. I'm pretty sure he's a rapper. Yo, baby kale.
Sounds like a rapper. Actually, that's really nice. Very similar to rocket. In fact, it could be rocket, just a different shape. Okay, so I'm just wanting to... Look, I'm going to have to be all chefy, look, because this is what chefs do. They toss their salad like that. With your hands. It's more impressive if you have lots of different stuff to toss.
Nice.
So.
Chef Jason, how's the presentation? Let us know.
Oh, just hang on. That's a little bit rough. Now I'm just wanting to twist my pork. And well, you need to go to the hospital if you've got twisted pork. So, and I'm wanting to turn my apples. I'm not really wanting to do anything more to the apples than to...
Margaret would like to come for lunch. And what I'm going to suggest, Margaret, is that you make this and then eat it virtually with us.
Yes, and then go live on Facebook.
Go live on Facebook. Actually,
go live on the group.
Here's a challenge for the people who are in the group. I'd love to see people go live cooking.
Yeah, go on.
You can do it.
That's why the group. Yeah, you can go live. We've had a couple of people post what they've cooked.
That was a throwdown. Here's me throwing down the challenge. Boom.
Challenge drop.
Thrown down. If you're in the group, the Facebook group, then I would like someone. What are you doing?
I didn't want to waste the butter, and normally I'd eat it, but that's kind of a bit gross on camera.
Normally you eat the butter?
I love just butter.
Really?
Yeah.
You mustn't do it on, I think.
On this keto diet thing, it's just, oh, I could literally just, literally.
Yeah, go live on, yeah, the apple's really, really nice. Jason, it is absolutely.
What apples are in it at the
where are you a
moment?
chef? Tell us where you're a chef so that we can send people your way. Where are you chefing, mate? People who join us, if you want any shout outs or anything like that, just, you know.
And
we're obviously here representing Mr. Rogers, but we love having you along.
I also want to point out, I'm using apples because they're in season at the moment, but you could use like nectarines or peaches would be really nice. You could try it with feijoas. Just, yeah, just keep, I'm all for keeping costs down.
Oh, Chef Jason is a long time friend of Jimmy. That's swimming good. Well done. That's all you chefs.
Yeah.
See, I want to get a discussion going. When we were, not necessarily now, but when we were in Vegas, and I'll be interested to know the chefs' takes on the celebrity chefs. Because when we were in Vegas, I love Gordon Ramsay. Like, love the show, think he does really well, all the rest. But we went to Burger.
We did like a burger tour,
which was brilliant.
Which was amazing.
Oh, sorry, Alana wants to know, is it spicy? No, well, I guess it's not
yes,
hot
for you, Alana, it's not hot spicy, but it has got cinnamon, star anise, clove, fennel, and pepper.
Yeah, it is nice.
So it's not,
With the apple.
yeah, it's not, it's spicy as in flavour, not as in heat. If that answers your question.
Yeah, Lorraine would do this with chicken. It would absolutely work.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. It's just the point of this, it's so damn easy.
It's just easy.
Anyway, we went to the burger restaurant, and it was the last burger restaurant that we went to. And
We were flying out that day.
Oh, Jamie Oliver's a great person. Yeah, Jamie Oliver's great.
I love Jamie.
But, I went the burger, and it was terrible.
It was so bad.
The worst burger I've ever had in my life, and I've eaten a lot of burgers. Yeah, worst burger ever.
McDonald's was better.
Yeah, actually got me to a point where I don't think I want to go eat any Gordon Ramsay stuff, because if you can't do a burger...
McDonald's was way better, and he just,
I
yeah.
said to the lady that I didn't...
The onion rings, now they were good.
Yeah. So, Jason, what we do is we post the recipe up in the comment, or in the post rather.
In the post.
So you can read the recipe, but to be honest, mate, it's really easy.
You don't really need a recipe, it's pretty easy. Now, if you like capers or caper berries or something, that would go really tasty with it. The sharpness of the balsamic vinegar, and it's just straight vinegar, so this is pretty much sugar-free apart from your fruit content. If you had like a gluten-free dressing, replace that with your balsamic vinegar. That's for celiac week. And if you want to cull all of your carbs,
Thanks, Lauren. We'll catch you next time.
see ya, take away the fruit.
Yeah.
So guys, I just wanted to show you how simple and easy it is to manipulate and do whatever you want.
This is, again, we're trying to do things that make life easy for people.
Yeah.
So this would be a really, really easy, really easy meal if you have people around, to be honest. And it's makes the house smell beautiful. Like it's commented in. Smells beautiful. A little bit too much colour in the YouTube.
Yeah, sorry.
We're too busy.
I'm too busy gabbering. But it won't taste yet. I'm sure it won't.
That's lovely.
Let me just go like this.
So it's basically...
Ow, it's very hot though.
Didn't mean to laugh. It's apple butter.
It tastes lovely. So that's like the whole pork and apple sauce kind of thing. And what you want to do is pretty much a tenderloin per person, so you'll need to adjust your recipe.
Oh wait, Jimmy would like some pineapple as well.
That would be really nice. You could actually do.
Like
Jimmy, you could do like
pineapple chutney.
Yeah, a pineapple chutney with little bits of apple and some cucumber chopped up and diced up in there and.
Now, Jono,
but anyway,
just join us. Jono is posting hardcore in the
group.
In the group, he's putting lots of things.
Rubs and stuff.
He did a rub the other day. Thank you,
He did
Jono,
do a rub.
And he's got the what did you plant? My sick adult man.
Oh yeah, what were you going, John? Thank you.
Saffron. Planted some saffron, so hopefully we're looking for that.
That'll be really interesting.
Yeah, Jummy Simmons does a lovely salsa. Lovely
yeah,
pineapple salsa.
nice pineapple salsa. See, that's really yummy for, like, you could even warm it would be quite nice warm salsa on top of your pork.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I can't really, you need to cook this for around sort of, depends on how raw you like your pork. I don't. So you need to cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Let it sit for, well, sit, not set, it's not a jelly. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and then slice it up and plate it up. Now
so
you
actually, look, I think, you know how okay, I'm going to let you in a secret. When this was plated up, I said, oh, I don't know if that looks very good on camera. But you know what would look good on camera? That pineapple salsa across the top.
Oh. Jimmy, you'll have to come and make the pineapple salsa now. Because Ben wants pineapple salsa. So you could, I want to show you how nice and crunchy it is, and it's just a good way to test your meat. Just this is what I learnt, is that part of your thumb. That's like, yeah. So that as it goes along, that would be well done. That would be sort of medium to yeah. It's the whole steak thing. So this is probably medium rare.
But with the pork loin, it's really easy because then you slice it and then you just have the nice little.
Yeah, and the thing is, there's different. Obviously, the skinny end's going to be cooked.
Jimmy, we'll meet at Mrs. Rogers at the factory and we'll cook up a storm for all the workers there. All the people that actually.
What an awesome idea!
We should do that. All right, Jimmy.
We should do that.
Meet you at Mrs. Rogers' factory and Jono and you and Kirsty.
We could have like a bake-off.
And then we'll cook for the staff.
Oh.
They work very hard at what they do. So.
I'm not very good at cutting like that, everybody.
Pink in the middle.
So it's a little bit pink, but you can eat pork slightly pink, can't you? I mean, we wouldn't, but anyway.
There you go.
So there's your pork.
There's your pork.
There's your pork
Jimmy,
done.
We'll work it out, Jimmy. We'll work it out.
And
all right, everyone, have a fantastic weekend.
have a great weekend.
Thank you for watching.
Look at that competition. You can enter as many times as you like because every entry will be different, even if it's from your phone.
Yep.
And we're not drawing it till next Thursday, and it's going gangbusters. Absolutely gangbusters.
Yeah, Jimmy says it's classed as a red meat, so it should be fine.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Weekend.
Thanks, Jimmy.
Well done.
I'm not going mad.
I'm going to eat this because I'm hungry and I need.
I'm going to shoot the fly.
Shoot the fly. And
see you next time.
Thanks for your comments, everyone.
Yes.
We love having a chat. It makes such a massive difference to doing these rather than.
Yeah, because we're so sick of talking to each other.
Yes. Oh, it's very rude. I'm happy to talk to you.
Well, I'm quite excited that it's Barry White at the moment, so, you know.
Thanks, Margaret. You have a lovely weekend. Thanks, Jimmy.
Have a good weekend, guys.
Thank you, Jason. Thank you, everyone. Thanks, Mel. Thank you for joining us. Have a lovely weekend.
Bye.
Oh, Jimmy just said medium's better than well done. Yeah. Thanks, Jimmy. See you guys.